What's going on, YouTube? Modeling Nut back at you with another build update. As you can see, we got some of the cheetah print on a couple of the interior pieces here. So we have both of the door panels kind of ready to go. I do have the light tan on the lower one there. I do still need to put the light tan spots into most of the dark brown ones on that side, and then also the other panel. And then also I have the seat completely done. Again, needing to still put the light tan on, but at least got those ready to go. So the other front bucket seat as well as the rear seat, those are basically just where they were left the other day, so no real change there. Have the engine most of the way completed, so let me lock in on that real quick, get the brightness up. So went ahead and actually changed around the front drive pulley system, cut out the molded in belt that was, obviously way too darn thick, and used some 0.010 by 0.030 styrene strip to replace the belt. That obviously is extremely fragile, and the one thing that's great about this kit is if you actually look at it, the generator that's down here in the lower corner actually has absolutely nothing connected to it. And when I say that, I mean, like, supposedly the belts are the only thing holding it on if you look at the kit parts. So what I went ahead and did was use some 0.010 strip styrene. Let's see if I can get that to focus in. Apologize for kind of the shakiness here. Hope to have my, there we go. Hope to have my other back. But you can see I have a upper bracket and lower bracket there. Paint is still fairly wet. Just brush painted on the main engine color, so it will lighten up to look like the rest of the engine. But went ahead and just custom made some templates based off of what I was seeing. Again, getting it to the top mounting hole, and then basically small little piece that would have been an adjustment screw or adjustment locking nut for the lower part. So it doesn't look that great right now, just because again of all the flurries of color and everything like that. But once I get the rubber black on the belt and get the pulleys all painted up, that'll actually look really, really nice. So the other big thing that I got completed today, I'll go ahead and take you up to the upper part of my desk here, is I got the body painted. I had to do some finishing work on the rear deck, and then I got the coat of Gravity Color Clear, which is a 2K clear from Gravity Colors out of Italy. So absolutely love that clear coat. So I've got that in there. That's going to take probably 2 days to dry, so nothing really that I can do there. Last thing I wanted to go ahead and mention was I have a couple of items here in a what is classified as gray color, but I look as more of a white, or like an off-white. The color that I used for these is 311, which is an F4J or F100 white for the underbelly. Went ahead and used that on these parts, as well as the air cleaner, if I can find that. Oh, all the way up here on the very top. There we go. As well as the air cleaner. So I did take and carefully cut out the hole, so it actually looks a little bit more realistic there. So next step going to be finishing up the engine, getting the detail, getting the distributor put into place. I do have that set off to the side, pretty much all painted up. I think I showed this on a previous video, but getting that wired in. I did go ahead and also put the exhaust manifolds on, as those are the main engine color. So yeah, definitely proceeding and moving along quite nicely. Hopefully by the end of the week here we'll have a rolling chassis completed and be getting ready to just kind of lightly clean up any orange peel or any swirl marks in the paint or in the gloss coat. So far, really enjoying the build. It's looking really, really awesome, and I will catch you guys in the next update. Later.